What's up, guys? If you have a golf cart that you're wanting to transport, like on a trailer like you see here, and you're wondering how to secure it, use either good strong ratchet straps or small automotive style ratchet straps. That's the best way. And some people do strap underneath, but there's really not many areas to do it. I mean, you got a one spot right there you could hook to. But the easiest way is to just strap across the deck area and just hook it down, to whatever your hook method is on your trailer. Ratchet straps are definitely the best method, and it gives it a nice pull in both directions, and it's extremely secure. It's not going to go anywhere. Very secure. And that's it. Very easy to do. And there you have it. So yeah, if you're in North Atlanta, Georgia, and you're looking for a place to buy a golf cart, new or used, especially Club Car brand, like this is a Club Car Onward Club Car dealer up in Canton, Georgia, which is about 45 minutes north of Atlanta. I'll put a link down below for that. Golf Cars of Canton in Canton, Georgia. Check them out. And we'll have other videos about golf cars and things in the near future. So y'all have a good day. We'll see y'all later.